Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to buy XRP coin on Binance exchange using Convert. The first thing you will need to do if you want to buy XRP on Binance exchange, you will register on the Binance exchange. After your registration, you will buy USDT stablecoin. After you buy your USDT stablecoin, you click on this yellow button. Then you click on more services. Then you search for Convert on the Binance app. Convert is under trade. So you click on Convert. We are converting USDT to XRP. You click on this. Then you search for XRP. So we're converting 1.30 USDT to XRP. This will give us 2.15 XRP. You click on preview conversion. Then you click on convert. You can see that the transaction is successful. Then you go to your spot wallet and you check. So we have 2.15 XRP. So guys, you can buy some XRP. XRP is the best crypto for cross-border transaction. Countries are going to use XRP. Banks are going to use XRP. You can also watch my previous videos on XRP. I will send the link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.